Hello dear students. Today I am going to introduce to new topic corrosion and rancidity. Both topics are very important for your board examination and both related from oxidation and reduction reaction. As you know that oxidation reactions are important part of our daily life. Some of the oxidation reaction are very important for us. For example, the respiration, combustion, while some are harmful such as corrosion and rancidity. So let me start with corrosion. Corrosion. When I hear the word corrosion, then I can observe a brownish layer on the metal surface. So undesirable decay of metal in presence of air and water is known as corrosion, and corrosion is harmful because metal will start to decay because of corrosion and it loses its property also. So when metal is chemically attacked by air, water or other surrounding substance, it is said to corrode. This process is known as corrosion. The most common corrosion is redox process, in which metal are oxidized by oxygen in the presence of moisture. That means due to the corrosion, the metal will start to decay, and the metal on which the corrosion is occur is known as corrode metal, and the complete process is known as corrosion. One of the important thing is the most common metal corrosion is rusting of iron, as you can observe on the iron object of your home also. Corrosion process of iron and steel is known as rusting. That means when the corrosion occur on iron or steel, that process is known as rusting. Rust is a red brown powder containing mainly of hydrate ferric oxide Fe2O3.XS2O. Here the mean of X is number of moles of water. Water and oxygen are essential for iron to rust. That means that when the iron is going to be rust, then it will require water as well as oxygen. So we can write it as in form of equation 2Fe plus 3/2O2 plus XS2O gives Fe2O3 dot XS2O. Here I use the word number 3/2 because I just use 3 atoms of oxygen. So to balance I use 3/2 because 2 and 2 will be cancelled and 3 oxygen atom will remain. So the formula will be Fe2O3 dot XS2O. Black coating on the surface of silver and green layer on the surface of copper are the other example of corrosion. You can see that when the copper object come in contact of air and water, a greenish layer will be formed on it, that will be known as the corrosion. But in case of iron, the corrosion is known as rusting. There are some preventions also from corrosion. We use oiling, we use grease, and the important topic is we use galvanization also. So we prevent from corrosion by using paint on surface, oil, by galvanization. What's the mean of galvanization? When an iron object is coated by zinc, because zinc is more reactive in comparison of iron, so the process is known as galvanization. We generally use paint on iron object or any metal to prevent it from corrosion. Similarly, we use oil or greasing to prevent from corrosion. So these are the general preventions which we use from the for the corrosion. Next topic is rancidity. What's the mean of rancidity? When the food oxidizes and having a bad smell and bad taste is known as rancid food, and the process to form a rancid food is known as rancidity. The oxidation also has a damaging effect on food. When the fat and oil are oxidized, they become rancid. The process is known as the rancidity. Due to the rancidity, their taste, their smell change and become very unpleasant. Manufacturers sometimes add antioxidant to fatty acid and oil to prevent rancidity. That means any food which having a bad smell and which is not eatable, that food is known as rancid food, and that will be occur due to the oxidation of food. Just because of it having a bad smell, bad taste, and its color also change. So how can we prevent from the rancidity? First one is refrigeration of fatty foods, also prevent from rancidity. Storage of fatty food in airtight container. Whenever you just travel in a train or planes, then airtight food container they provided you. Chips packet, generally whenever you use the chips packet, it consists little amount of a chips, while the amount of gas present in it, that gas is nitrogen gas, which work as an antioxidant and prevent from rancidity. Chips manufacturer fill the chips bags with inert gas nitrogen to prevent chips from being oxidized.